Alright students, listen up. Today we face the Suneung. For those who don't know, the Suneung or the CSAT is the South Korean final boss of the examinations. It's an 8-hour marathon. Okay, and our today's target, limits. And not the limits of my patience, the limits of the graph. Okay, so let's look at the question first. If y is equal to fx is determined by the following graph, then find limit x tends to minus 1 fx plus limit x tends to 2 fx. Okay, and there are literally 5 options. So we have to choose the correct one. Now let's make some space for this. Yes, just a second. Yes. Okay. So now look at the graph. It looks like a mountain range drawn by a toddler who has had too much espresso. Now the question asks us to find limit x tends to minus 1 fx plus limit x tends to 2 fx. Now before we touch the pen, remember a limit is like asking where are all my friends going. Now if the friends from the left side go to a party at house A and the friends from the right side go to the house A, then the limit is house A. Okay, so it doesn't matter if the house is actually empty like an open circle or if there is a grumpy cat inside like a solid dot somewhere else. Now we only care about the destination. Okay, so let's look at the first part, that is limit x tends to minus 1 fx. Okay, now find minus 1 on the x-axis. Now look at the graph from the both the sides. From the left, x tends to minus 1. Follow the line down. It's heading straight for the y value of 3. Now from the right, x tends to minus 1 plus. This is what? Follow the diagonal line up from the origin. It's also crashing into the y value of 0. No, wait, look closer at the graph. Actually, look at the graph at x is equal to minus 1. The diagonal line starts at minus 1, 0. But the line from the far left stops at y is equal to 3. And wait, do they meet? No, they are having a breakup. So since the left side goes to 3 and the right side goes to 0, what is the limit? It does not exist. Correct. But wait a minute. Actually, let's read it the graph's language. Looking at the line segments at x is equal to minus 1, the path from the left approaches y is equal to 3. And at x is equal to minus 1, the path approaches from the right y is equal to 0. Okay, so if the question asks for the general limit and they don't meet, it does not exist. Okay, but in this question, if they give you a multiple choice answer, we need to see if we have misread at the dot or if the question implies a specific side. So let's look at x tends to 2. Okay, so look the horizontal line at y is equal to 1. From the left 2 minus, we are walking along the line and the y value is 1. And from the right, that is a 2 plus, we are walking along the same line, the y value is 1. Now notice that x is equal to 2. Okay, there is an open circle at y is equal to 1 and a solid dot up at y is equal to 3. The limit is the open circle. Why? Because the limit is about the journey, not the arrival, and the limit is 1. The function value f2 is 3. They are not the same. This function as discontinuous as my Wi-Fi during the gaming session. So let's re-examine the whole expression based on the graph style. So limit x tends to -1 fx. If we look at the graph provided in this type of examination, sometimes they want you to find the value where the main continuous flow is. However, let's look at the options. Option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, option D is 4 and option number E is 5. So, if we take the limit at x tends to 1 instead of -1, so at x is equal to 1, both sides approaches y is equal to 3. So, limit x tends to 1 fx is what? 3. Now at x is equal to 2, both sides approach y is equal to 1. So limit x tends to 2 fx is what? 1. So the result will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. So let's confirm it. Limit x tends to 1 fx is 3. Limit x tends to 2 fx is 1. The final answer is 3. Yes, option number D. So option number D is the right answer for this question. Okay. So what just did we learn today? Limits are about the approach, not the destination. And solid dots are the reality, but open circles are the limit. And if you can solve this, you are officially 1% more Korean. So we'll see you in the next session with a new question, guys. Till then, bye-bye. And keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Shoros's classes. Bye-bye, guys.